Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. First, press and hold home button on the remote. Press and hold home button on the remote. Then you would get these options. From here, select mirroring. Okay, then so keep this screen open. Please don't close it. Just keep this screen open. Then in mobile phone, open settings app. Tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Then select wireless display. Then turn on wireless display. So this will automatically search and detect nearby Fire TV. You can see it has detected. Tap on that. So now it's connecting. Okay, done. So this way we can use screen mirroring. So if you want to disconnect, again tap on this name, then tap on disconnect. So this way we can use it. Let me disconnect it. Okay, done. So this way we can use screen mirroring. So please try it.